Hey friends, my name is Ishan and these are my friends Mayank,
Hello guys.
Rahul
Hi guys.
and Sonu.
Hi.
And today we will be discussing on many topics of the Hindu newspaper of 26 November 2020. But first of all, I want to explain you all about this day. This day the constitution was also made and also we adopted it, but in 2008 there was an attack in Mumbai, so it is also a very sad news for us. And 2-3 days ago I have told you about Ahmed Patel,
Yes.
that he died, and
he was a good leader of
Congress.
from Gujarat. Yeah.
And now what happened yesterday, only on Wednesday, on 25th November, what happened that the greatest footballer of this, one of the greatest footballer of the previous century, who was Diego Maradona, left the earth, means he was died yesterday, and he was considered as one of the football's immortals.
Yeah.
So his full name was Diego Maradona, and he died in Buenos Aires, which is the capital of Argentina.
Argentina, yeah.
So what happened that he died yesterday due to an heart attack. So there were many records of him, such as in 1986, we all know that there was a FIFA World Cup. So what happened that Argentina won that FIFA World Cup. So it was the very 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 great achievement for that team, and it was considered that Argentina won because of Maradona only.
Yeah, it played a vital role in that match.
And also it was also a thing that one goal was done by hand, but because of less technology that time, it was not been able identify by the technicians and the referees. So this was told by Maradona after many years of that it was done by hand, but nobody noticed it, and it was the one of the biggest reason that this team won. And then what happened that many great footballers such as Ronaldo, Pele, Messi commented on Twitter and posted Twitter like respect for him, rest in peace, and we also have very much respect for him, and that's all. Now if you all have any
Okay,
topic,
okay.
then explain.
So guys, now I am going to tell you a pleasurable event that has just means it is pleasurable news which it is about Jallikattu, which is a movie in Malayalam. It is a short movie, and it has been selected for the Oscar award. Means it is India's official. Means it has been selected for the Oscar award, and it was directed by LG Pellicer, and he told that it is very means he is feeling glad that this movie has been selected for the Oscar award. And if we talk about means if I tell that it is the third movie which has been selected in Malayalam for this award, and before that there was a movie named as Guru, and second movie was Adaminte Makan Abbo, and Guru was selected in 1997, and Aduminte Makan Abu was selected in 2011. And his director also told that this about the Jallikattu, that it is also a good movie, and it will also gain some praises by the international authorities. Yeah, and it was lastly played means it was lastly screened at Bhusan International. It is a theater where it was lastly played, and this was all about Jallikattu. So if you want
Yeah,
to tell
and
something, then you can tell. Sonu.
yeah, Rahul, in the recent days, we are seeing that there was a fight between the central and a state government, that
Yeah,
is Maharashtra and as well as in Punjab. So I'm going to deal with the Punjab. So guys, it is very interesting news that people of Punjab, that farmer,
Yeah, yeah.
Bhartiya Farmer Kisan Yojana,
Yeah.
sorry, Kisan Yojana, not
Yes.
Kisan Union.
Union,
So in
yeah.
this, that more than 100 people had came to Delhi by the tractors, by a call of Delhi Chalo, and this slogan was also seen in the old days in the history, when the British were when the capture of a British over our country, then some of the ruler had told this dialogue, Delhi chalo for the justice. Then same thing as the farmer of Punjab has did, and the state Haryana has blocked the highways, blocked that road of a border, so that the people, so that they farmer can get prevented from that protest. And yeah, Haryana's farmer can't be involved in that protest. Yeah. So that's all.
Okay, so I have also something to tell you all. So I am now basically going to have a discussion over whatever is happening with students nowadays. So
Yes.
as we faced lockdown, so in that lockdown we seen that many apps emerged out, and they basically targeted the students, those who are at their home, they are not having the tuition, so
Online classes.
Yeah.
they targeted for online classes. And for example, we have seen Vedantu,
Byju's,
Doubtnut,
Whitehat,
Byju's, Whitehat, Unacademy, and
Yeah.
these all. But what basically is happening that there are many companies, those who are thinking for their business. We don't know that if they are giving good results or not. But what they are doing, that they are forcing and they are giving emotional touch to the parents and the students. Hmm. So they are giving emotional touch to the parents and the students, so that they can join their app, which cost very much, approx 1,80,000
For 1 year.
80,000.
for membership and all. So what basically I want to try.
And they are also giving greediness also, that if you will come, we will give you laptops and tablets.
So what I am basically trying to say, that if you are having it in adequate amount, then it's okay. But
Yes.
if you are getting busier on this only, and there are many students, those who have got influenced by it, these all the things, they are doing well also, but they are not getting aware about our society. They are not having the knowledge whatever is happening in our
Not the knowledge of
society.
social things.
yeah. So
Cultural.
I basically want to tell to the parents and to the people, those who are related to the education,
Yes.
that focus on these things also, so that you can make your children social and they can be
Traditionally strong.
traditionally strong also and all. So I am basically trying to say that spend time on these things, but you have to focus over normal studies also, then you have to focus on society also and everything. And this was all.
So that's all for this video. If you want to share it to your friends, because it is general knowledge. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon, guys.